Hey guys, Kelly Cook here with the Kelly Cook Real Estate Group, your real estate specialist. You can find us online at www.kellycookhomes.com. We're part of the Keller Williams Arizona Real Estate Network here in Scottsdale, Arizona, and we are North Scottsdale and Scottsdale real estate specialists. Today we're specifically talking about the community, the master plan community of Grayhawk. All right, Grayhawk is one of the most famous, if you will, communities in the entire Phoenix metro area. It is located in North Scottsdale, right off the Loop 101, and it has just about everything you could want in a master plan community. There are several large master plan communities that are pretty much full service and have everything you could possibly want in a community in the Scottsdale area, and Grayhawk is one of the few. It has everything from multifamily to single family to custom homes, guard gated, non-gated, just gated. Everything you possibly want. Little League, parks, Boys and Girls Club, one of the Valley's top elementary schools in Grayhawk Elementary. So give us a call today if you have any questions about Grayhawk. We service the area and have sold dozens of homes in Grayhawk over the years and would love to help you out with your Grayhawk house search. Right now, times couldn't be probably any better. Inventory is down in Grayhawk, especially in the upper end, the luxury end as well. And if you're thinking about selling your home, man, it couldn't be a better time, guys. It could not be a better time with low interest rates. Demand is super high. You have a lot of people coming from out of state in Canada spending their money into the Arizona market. So please don't delay. Give us a call. We'd love to help you out, whether it be on the park side of Grayhawk or the retreat side, luxury, or a single family home, or even a one-bedroom condo. Whatever it may be, Grayhawk has it for you. So please give us a call here today and we'll go to work for you. Again, if you're looking to buy a house, our services are free. So we would love to go to work and be able to negotiate a good offer on a property for you today in Grayhawk. You can reach us at 480-442-9868. You can email us at info@kellycookhomes.com. Or if you have a home to sell, go check our website out at myhomevaluecalculator.com, and instantaneously we will send to you the value of your home through your email. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we look forward to hearing from you for a free consultation, whether it be in person or on the phone at your convenience. Take care. Bye-bye.